Ladies and gentlemen, children of all ages, that was a Barnum and Bailey. These are questions that I answer all the time. Get them every day. Got bunches of them. Might not get to all of them. What techniques do you use to find properties to invest in? Well, the first thing I'm going to tell you is the difference between what we call a scrap realtor and a cream of the crop realtor. Cream of the crop is a Merrill Lynch, a Century 21, the big namers. Most of those deal in residential houses. You know, the mom and pop with two kids who want a 3-bedroom, 2-bath with nice carpets in a good school district. They generally don't know anything about income-producing property. You want to find a scrap, S-C-R-A-P, realtor. By the way, we have what we call a quick start system, very inexpensive. It's got some CDs in it, a good starting book, and it will explain all of these things. See, I can get a property under contract within 3 days. And we prove that every time we do one of our millionaire U's, if you're interested, where we invite 40 people down here to my office, we go through all of the properties, we go out into the field, we make offers, we evaluate the rehab on them. It's an unbelievable training program. It's like going into surgery room as an intern with a surgeon and learning how to operate. I don't know about you, I can read till I'm blue in the face. You show me and I'll get it. So scrap realtor is, you go to an area of town, we got moderate income properties, cosmetically distressed, working class neighborhoods, and you'll see signs generally. Certain realtors work those areas. They're going to know the handyman specials, where the seller financing is, where the motivated sellers are. So get a scrap realtor to start looking for you. The other way, run my famous gold mine ad, which reads, private investor wants income producing properties or income properties. We'll look at all any condition. Run them in your local shopper. You can run it on Craigslist. I've gotten some of my best deals through that because some of the owners are embarrassed to list it with a broker because it's beat up. See your ad and you become the savior. So for more information, go to russwhitney.com, and sign into our community, man. Become a member. Love to help you.